No! God, please, no! No!
Skip it up and that up.
Wow.
Here goes nothing! Emerson went off. Unrecognized warning, but I'm gonna let it slide because it's a squally. Wow, even that went off. Nice! It actually went off on WNG 575.
Hazard, whiteout conditions. Zero visibility. Gusts up 40 miles per hour.
Ooh, 40. And IMBot did not notify me fast enough. It's weird, I had it in display mode.
Travel is not advised during this dangerous snow squall. Rapid visibility reduction and potentially icy roads are likely to lead to accidents. Consider delaying travel until the squall passes your location. If traveling, pull off to a safe location and turn your headlights on. Road temperatures are well freezing. Intensely colder temperatures following the snow will cause any water or slush to quickly freeze on roads and sidewalks.
The wind is making the reception go in and out.
Extremely slippery. Reduce speeds and increase distance between vehicles as advised.
Squally Wally Wallies! Why is that flashing yellow? Oh, WNG. Shut up! Whoa. That had bad reception. I'm surprised that went off. Really, SFA? Well, I guess that still counts. They're inching closer to us. Come on, wind. Ah, hit record late. Come on. Turn off.
Central Somerset County in West Central Maine, Franklin County in Western Maine, Southeastern Coos County in Northern New Hampshire.
Ah! WNG, why were you so late? Hey, nice.
County in Northern New Hampshire until 6:15 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from 13 miles
Oh my
south
god,
of
this thing's
to
so
9 miles
slow.
south of Rangeley to visibility in snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour.
Woo!
Radar and webcams. Impact. Dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes Interstate
Thank you for pausing the movie.
96 and 107.
I don't need to get copyrighted.
Impacted include Conway, Berlin, Farmington, Bridgeton, Freiburg, Bethel, Bethlehem, Lincoln, Eustis, Rangeley, Milton Borough, Rutherford, Meredith, Ossipee, Madison, Jay, Livermore Falls, Dixfield, Franconia, and Kingfield. Travel is not advised during this dangerous snow squall.
God, the wind with the reception.
Potentially icy roads are likely to lead to accidents. Consider delaying travel until the squall passes your location. If traveling, pull off to a safe location and turn your headlights on. Temperatures are above freezing, but sharply colder temperatures following the snow will cause any water or slush to quickly freeze on roads and sidewalks. Untreated road surfaces will become extremely slippery. Reduced speeds and increased distance between vehicles is advised. 2:05 p.m. reports from around New England in New Hampshire. County in northern New Hampshire until 6 p.m.
Nice, that actually went off. Squally!
Everybody's phone's going off, Bob, even yours. From an imminent severe alert.
And weather radios. 3, 2, 1, boom! The whole state's under it this time.
Nope.
WNG 2. Jesus! It just said Belknap and Merrimack counties. The entire county list. Oh my god. My mommy's old phone went off too. Yeah. Alright. Franklin, the town next to us.
Canterbury, Holderness, Ashland, Bradford, Danbury, Wolfeboro, Warner, Belmont, and Kilford. Temperatures are above freezing, but sharply colder temperatures following the snow will cause any water or slush to quickly freeze on roads and sidewalks. Untreated road surfaces will become extremely slippery. Reduced speed.
I had this in anticipation for like 2 hours. Woo! First WEA activation on my phone in 2 years. Almost, but another one's going off! WNGG.
Southern Oxford
It's starting to snow out, so it's gonna pick up quick, and the winds. Yeah, what's the name of that town in Maine? I forget. That's a huge county list. Holy crap.
Until 7:15 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line
That was like the entirety of western half of Maine.
Moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar.
I missed what the winds were for us.
Impact: dangerous.
Do you know what it said?
Travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 295 between mile markers 1
And the wind's slowing down, but I think it's going to pick back up.
Interstate 95 between mile markers 15 and 156. Locations impacted include Portland, Lewiston, Rochester, South Portland, Biddeford, Brunswick, Augusta, Westbrook, Waterville, Conway, Bath,
Yep,
Farmington,
Conway.
Fairfield, Gardiner,
But put the phone up again.
Mechanic Falls, Alfred, Danville, and Sanford. Temperatures are above freezing, but sharply colder temperatures following the snow will cause...
It's okay, puppy. It's okay, puppy.
Why is this one going on Maine and that one's going on Hampshire?
They're unsynced because this is a different station than the other one.
Thank you.
Another one for our area, baby. Oh my God. It's that bad.
Southeastern Barnett County in central New Hampshire, southern Merrimack County in central New Hampshire, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:41 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Alton to Bradford, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: whiteout conditions. Zero visibility.
I don't know if you guys can see out there.
Wind gusts up to 35 miles per
It's the
hour.
wind causing that.
Source: radar and webcams. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate
Yeah, every wave of static I think is a wind gust. I'm not quite sure about that.
markers 12 and 50.
Thought WA would go off, but it didn't, so I'm gonna take that phone back.
Interstate 95 in New Hampshire between mile markers 9 and 16. Locations impacted include Manchester, Concord, Derry, Portsmouth, Durham, Exeter, Kittery, Henniker, Merrimack, Northwood, Dover, Bedford, Milford, Hooksett, Amherst, Barrington, Litchfield, Farmington, Epping, and Hopkinton. Travel is not advised during this dangerous snow squall. Rapid visibility reduction and potentially icy roads are
Yeah, I think
likely
it's
to lead
leaving.
to accidents. Consider delaying travel until the squall passes your location.
Yep.
If traveling, pull off to a safe location and turn your headlights on. Temperatures are above freezing, but sharply colder temperatures following the snow will cause heavy water or slush to quickly freeze on roads and sidewalks.
Oh, oh, the 2-minute mark.
Well, day.
the winner. Global warming, gotta love it. And why did the zone guard go off? That's not even supposed to go off for those. I'm trying to keep it on. Jesus! That came out of freaking nowhere. I did shut them down. Good God. What?
Okay, enough talking.
In the middle of this? Oh, don't do that again. Alright, another severe thunderstorm warning. Come on, Accurate. Oh, you suck. I had a feeling they were going to extend it anyway.
The National Weather Service in Greenland issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, southeastern Stratford County in central New Hampshire, southeastern Yeetboi County in southern New Hampshire until 10:30 p.m. At 9:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Goffstown to Amherst to near Greenville, moving at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Manchester, Nashua, Barrie, Portsmouth, Hampton, Durham, Exeter, Merrimack, Salem, Dover, Bedford, Hooksett, Amherst, Litchfield, Hollis, Epping, Brentwood, Greenwood, Newington, and Seabrook. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Hillsborough, Rockingham, and Stratford. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advice.
The zoning may or may not glitch out and go off anyway. Guess WMG's. Ah! Stupid Emerson.
Now for the official.
And there we go.
Central Somerset, northern Franklin, and northern Oxford. In the following areas: in New Hampshire, northern Carroll.
Both stations went off.
Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. From 6 a.m. Saturday to 1 a.m. Sunday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult due to low visibility and snow-covered roads. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by going to newengland511.org.
Missed that last part. Alright, finally. I've been waiting for that for like God knows how long.
Until midnight. Lows in the lower 40s. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday through Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 50s. Lows in the
Come on, don't fail me now, Radio Shack.
recreation forecast for
Oh, WNG for the... Nope. WXJ40 for the win. Ah, God, it scared me.
alarm systems. If this had been an actual alert, this message would contain specific information on the watch or warning being issued. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA radio alert systems.
God. It's getting harder and harder to get this station every single week. Don't fail me, WNG.
This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
WNG.
This NOAA weather radio
WNG, WNG, 575, 575.
for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily
How
off the air.
did you manage to do that?
Radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. To an alternate weather
I'm
radio
gonna be a
broadcast
2-1
or
capture,
visit
that's for sure.
weather.gov for the latest weather information.
Good thing WXJ40's up.
This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
Here goes this station. Oop, I forgot to put the accurate back in my room. Hey. Excuse me? What was that? That was a bunch of BS? Wow. And you didn't go off. Let's see if they're back up.
Or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air.
What? 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 Again?
An actual alert, this message would contain specific information on the watch or warning being issued. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA radio alert systems.
The f was that?
And now here is the latest weather summary for
Well, oops.
high pressure will allow for tranquil levity.
Did it go off on here?
Giving a relative humidity of
Betcha they did that for WNG 575. I missed it. Wow, I've never gotten it this time before. That's a first.
This is a required weekly test of the National Weather Service's specific area message floating and storm alarm systems. If this had been an actual alert,
Yup. Huh? Hey, nice. This hasn't gone off in a long time. I'm kind of worried. Come on. Come on. No weather's going on right now. Dang. Betcha that Zony's gonna go off. Oh, nice! Three and one, baby.
This is a required message encoding and tone alarm systems. If this had been an actual alert, this message would contain specific information on the watch or warning being issued. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA weather radio alert systems.
And the SFA went off.
Here are the latest auto.
Sick! Alright. That's probably the most successful one I've had. God knows how long. Wow. Awesome. Now, did you? Yeah, boy. Alright. Honeywell, go off. That would be great. Come on, baby. No! Cannot be serious. Oh man, no! Ah.
This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA radio alert systems. For the easy listening at
Ah, come on. I fixed you, and you still didn't, Shut up. God, that Honeywell's a bee sting.
if this had been an actual alert, this message would contain specific. If this had been an actual alert, this weekly test of the NOAA weather radio alert system. This concludes the weekly test of the. Here are the rest of today. Be sunny with a 20% chance of shower.
God, Honeywell. Come on, man. You son of a... Look who got their camcorder finally! Sir! Let me know how good it is in the comments. Ah, third time ain't always the charm. You hurt my brain cells. Oh, come on. Yes, that counts. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes. Oh, come on, Emerson. Yes, that station.
Where did that one go off, Jeff?
Which one?
Where did that one just go off?
A monthly test.
Oh, you got it?
Yep. Finally, I got that to go off. Okay, well, that's a rare capture.
The National Weather Service in Great Dane has activated the New Hampshire Emergency Alert System in order to conduct the required monthly test. That concludes this required monthly test under the New Hampshire Emergency Alert System.
We usually see them and then I put the oranges out.
Okay, first FM capture on my YouTube channel. Okay, the wind is making it very difficult to get reception. Alright, so the wind made it very difficult to get reception. Because not even this went off. So, alright, that concludes that. Next one's in August.
Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy.
Ah, did it to me again. Huh?
Area message encoding into one of the systems. If this had been actual alert, this be sunny with
I hear it, that counts.
the radio alert systems. Now for the